In this video, we will see how to make Chrome your default browser on your Mac OS. This video is for MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac and Mini Mac. There are two ways to make the Chrome as your default browser. One way is to open your Chrome browser, click on these three dots, go to the settings. Under settings, go to the default browser and there is option make default. Once you click on the Mac default, it will ask you if you want to keep Safari because currently Safari is the default browser, or you want to make Chrome as the default browser. There is another way as well under the system settings. Click on the Apple logo and go to the system settings. Under system settings, go to the desktop and dock. Under widgets, you will be able to see the option default web browser. Under default web browser, there are options to make Google Chrome as the default web browser. So in this way, you can make Chrome as your default browser on Mac OS. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.